Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our beautiful new listing. This one is 20 Elizabeth in Canton, Connecticut, a part of the Secret Lake community here in Canton. Very close to the shops at Farmington Valley, so great proximity for shopping, tons of great restaurants. There's great golf courses, wineries, breweries, all around here, you name it, they're here, so lots of fun activities to do. You're within walking distance to the lake. If you wanted to enjoy some swimming, some boating, fishing, you name it, it's down here. You can walk to the beach, play with your little guys if you have them. And what I love about this house is 1,500 square feet plus above and down below. In the partially finished walkout level, you've got about an additional 300 square feet down there. It's got some really great features, from a newer roof and newer windows to 6-panel doors throughout. It's light and bright and sun-drenched. It's great. Tons of counter space in the kitchen, all new granite counters, custom cabinetry, and subway tile backsplash. It's got a nice open floor plan, as you see here as I turn behind me, and I love this. Look at the special details here. So nice wood-burning fireplace. It gets tons of natural light. I love this barnwood feature here for the fireplace. Look at the slider to that back deck. They've got a great patio downstairs with a walkout lower level and a little laundry room as well. Great for a game room, great for an additional family room or den. And this could be a combo living room and office if you wanted to. It's nice and large. They have a huge sectional back here too. Upstairs, you'll find 3 generous sized bedrooms, a great little area in between all the bedrooms that's like a little library or additional office with custom built-in shelving and skylight. The master features a walk-in bath, new driveway in 2011, and so much more. It's just a really great location. This one is priced to move. These sellers say sell. It's definitely not going to last long. Make sure you book your appointment before you miss your chance. Coming soon right now. Give us a call at 860-325-2484 or visit us at our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.